Gentlemen, let's talk about a powerful little seed and the very real science behind why it's so helpful for men like us. We all want to maintain our strength, energy, and vitality. A lot of that comes down to supporting our body's natural testosterone. After 60, this can feel like an uphill battle. But research shows that something as simple as pumpkin seeds can be a powerful ally. Today, I'll walk you through the 5 key, science-backed reasons why. We'll keep it clear and straightforward. Reason number 1, they provide a key building block. Your body is like a precision factory for hormones, and it needs specific raw materials. The most critical one for testosterone production is zinc. This isn't just a theory. A pivotal study published in the journal Nutrition concluded that dietary zinc deficiency is a direct and measurable cause of lowered testosterone levels in men. Zinc acts as the essential cofactor for the enzyme aromatase, which is responsible for the final conversion of precursors into active testosterone. Just a single ounce of pumpkin seeds delivers a substantial 20% of your daily requirement, directly supplying this non-negotiable building block your hormonal system depends on. Reason number 2, they help manage hormone conversion. Here's a crucial detail. Your body converts testosterone into a more potent hormone called DHT, dihydrotestosterone, using an enzyme named 5-alpha reductase. While DHT is necessary for certain functions, its overproduction is strongly linked to prostate enlargement and can effectively deplete your circulating testosterone. This is where the zinc in pumpkin seeds plays a defensive role. Research, including a NIH-reviewed study in the Journal of Biological Chemistry, demonstrates that zinc directly inhibits the activity of the 5-alpha reductase enzyme. By acting as a natural modulator, it helps slow this conversion, preserving your active testosterone and promoting a healthier hormonal equilibrium. Reason number 3, they fight low-grade inflammation. This silent inflammation, driven by molecules called cytokines, is a proven suppressor of Leydig cell function in the testes, your body's testosterone factories. Pumpkin seeds are a rich source of specific anti-inflammatory agents. They contain a unique form of vitamin E, gamma-tocopherol, and a favorable balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Clinical research, such as a study in Food and Function, shows that these compounds significantly lower key inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein, CRP, and interleukin-6, IL-6. By reducing this systemic biochemical stress, pumpkin seeds help remove a major roadblock, allowing your hormonal pathways to operate far more efficiently. Reason number 4, they support your metabolism to free up hormones. Here's a fascinating connection. The nutrients in pumpkin seeds, including their fiber and healthy fats, contribute to stable blood sugar and better insulin sensitivity. Why does this matter for testosterone? A large study published in Diabetes Care showed that better insulin sensitivity is associated with lower levels of a protein that locks up testosterone in your bloodstream. By supporting your metabolism, pumpkin seeds may help more of your testosterone stay active and available for your body to use. Reason number 5, they enhance critical recovery sleep. This might be the most powerful reason of all. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of magnesium. Clinical trials, like one in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences, have shown magnesium improves sleep quality, especially deep sleep. And here's the crucial link. Your body releases its biggest burst of growth and repair hormones, including testosterone, during deep, slow-wave sleep. By improving your sleep with magnesium, pumpkin seeds ensure your body gets this essential nightly renewal phase. So you can see it's a complete strategy. Pumpkin seeds don't just do one thing. Science shows they help by providing the raw material, managing the process, reducing interference, optimizing delivery, and ensuring your body has the right time and place for repair. Adding a small daily handful is a simple, research-supported habit for long-term vitality. If you appreciate getting science made simple, consider subscribing. We're here to translate research into practical steps for your health. I'd love your thoughts. Which of these scientific connections did you find most interesting? Share in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Here's to your health, backed by good science.